Hello folks, today I will talk about style binding in Angular. So what is style binding? You can use style binding to set styles dynamically. So as we know, to style the website we use CSS. So we can make that CSS styles dynamic using this style binding in Angular. It is a very good feature. And as we know, styling is very important to make the page more attractive. So here we can add delete the classes styles according to our requirements. So with this,
with this attribute you can add styles conditionally. With this property you can easily add multiple styles in different conditions. So let me show you some examples how you can add styles dynamically in Angular. So these are the use cases where we can use this style binding, like binding to single style, case of text color and background color. If you want to change, if you want to add different font sizes, then you can use the style binding. So means in this basically what we do, we just write the style, then we just add the style name like background color or whatever we want to add, then we can add like that. This is another syntax. Here we have added the styles dynamically also. Here we have used style attribute, and here we have styles.p, so that it will take this border 1 pixel solid red. So you can work like according to like that. Let me show you now the proper example. Style binding. So this is the style binding. So here what we have done, we have write the style, then whatever the CSS property you want to you want to modify or change, you can add that property. So here you can see, here we use ternary operator to add it conditionally. So let me show you the example. So this is a style binding. So as we can see here in the first element, we have added some syntax here. So here we have added, if the is special is true, then we are adding red color, otherwise we are adding green color. So as we can see, here special is true, means in that case it will add the red color. So here you can see it has added the red color on the text. So you can also check the CSS here. So here you can see we have added the color red. With that we can change the style easily, and same like that with any CSS property you can change it like that. Second is background color, and same with the background color. So let me show you. So here you can see on the save button it is changed the background color to whatever the color you define here. On the save it has defined this. So next is if you want to change the font size, if you want to add the font size thing, so what you can do here, you can write here style.font size, and whatever the unit is pixel or whatever it is em. So you can write it here, and if the special is true, then it will take 3 em. So let me show you what is that taken. So you can see here it has added the font size 3 pm. So same like this is a font size example. Next is what we have this font size percentage. So here we have added the font size. As you can see here, this the fourth button. So here it has added the font size 50%, and what we have defined here. So this means here we have special is true currently. So now it is taking this 50. So here it will add 50% font size. So as you can see, it has added font size 50%. So you can easily modify any property. Next is we have create the font size pixel. So this font size pixel is defined the the size of the font size. So if you change this font size, what it will do, it will change this text to, it will change that it will change the style of this text. So let me show you here. So currently we have defined the font size 16. If you define the font size 32, what it will do, So as you can see, this resizable text is changing according to our text whatever we written. So suppose we have added 30. So as you can see here, it has changed its font type to 30. If you check it, so as you can see here, it is changed the 30 pixel. So you can also do like that, means font size, means the same property we have used here, like that, font size dot pixel, and here we define the font size pixel dynamic. So whatever value you will give here, so it will change the style accordingly. Next is we have added so means this ng style is also same like that. It is also used to add the things dynamically. So next is this example style.color, as I already shown you. So here as I have already showed you, here we have added the color red or green on the text. So if you can see here, so this is the text where we have added the color dynamically called. It is and the next example is this is ng style. It is also same like that. Let me check one more thing here. So next is we are using background image. It also work like that. So let me open that thing also. Add dynamic background image. To identify this, we can add the here class. So as you can see here, so currently we have not defined anything here, so it has not added, means here now we just on the URL you can pass the link here, then you can easily check the background image of this. So if I do like that, let me show you the proper example now. Let me define its width with height. So that you can easily find out the difference here. So you can use this to add the style. Leave this example for now, and means this is a use of style binding to make the styles dynamically. So what we have covered till now, so we have covered this syntax now, and next is means one single styles here. So means these are the use cases where we use this. In case of text color, if you want to change the text color, in case if you want to change change background color. So there are multiple use cases that you can write here. So this is another way that I already told you. You can also try that. This is more readable. So if you make like that, and it will be more readable. So you can also use this thing. Okay, thanks guys for watching.